As much as I love animals and I love nature, I'm glad that I don't live somewhere where a massive grizzly bear could be at my front door when I wake up in the morning. Because, you know, animals are cool. Some of them can be really, really cool. I don't want to run into no grizzly bear. Wow! Oh my God, look at the strength. I cannot believe this. Oh my God, there's people in there too. Wow. That was incredible. He was lifting up an SUV full of people with its neck. How did it? I didn't realize they were that strong. Wow, look at all of those eels. Wow, look at the bravery. Unbelievable. Oh my God, he was that close to being bear dinner. Oh!
Oh, no.
Oh my God. Get out of the water.
He sees it.
Get out of the water now. Dude. Oh my God, don't go behind the horse. Don't. Oh my God. Buddy, no one ever told you don't stand behind a horse? Oh, poor kid. Poor kid's terrified. Oh my God.
Buddy, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, it was right up his leg.
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan.
What's he got?
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Holy Oh! Oh my God, guys, this video is crazy. Careful! Careful! What? What is it? Dude, I want to see what it was. Oh my God. Get in and close the door, guys. Look how casual this dude is in the grey shorts. Like, oh my God. Ugh. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God. So close to his eye.
Christ. Gotta be careful here.
What is that? Looks like that's an alligator or a croc. Oh my God. Dude, you better back up. Oh, it's coming. It's coming! And he fell over. How do you fall over at a time like that?
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Yeah. Oh my God, is it getting closer as well?
Get back.
Oh! Oh my God!
Playing with lions is important to never show fear.
You were saying, buddy? You were saying? Oh my God. This is... Oh! Oh. Dude, get out of the pool. Oh! It must have thought maybe the guy on the bike was like a threat to the cubs, maybe.
Come on, keep kicking him.
Oh!
I'm so glad I was recording that.
Oh.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick.
What we
It's
got?
heavy, whatever it is.
What we got? Maybe a big like grouper fish.
That is not a stick. Oh my god. That's not
Wow.
a stick at all. Holy sh! Holy sh!
How's he gonna get his
my lord, holy
thingy back,
holy
though?
moly.
like? Yeah, how's he gonna get the thingy off the string?
Wow, that changes things.
Hey. Hey.
Oh
Hey.
my god! Oh my god! It can
Hey.
smell him.
Hey.
It can smell him, and it's getting closer. Oh,
Hey.
that was best case scenario.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm
What
going
is that,
away.
like a
I'm
mountain
going
lion?
away.
It's a
I'm going away.
mountain lion.
I'm going away. I'm not
What are you supposed to do? Like, are you supposed to make yourself big, make a lot of
gonna
noise?
bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Oh god! Oh!
You could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
That thing is huge. Oh my god! Where are people and they run? Look at the size of that grizzly bear,
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp.
and it's got a
I'm
cub
walking on the
too.
trail.
Two
Mom and
cubs.
Two cubs.
Oh, this is
So
real.
I'm
This is.
continually to
It's
walk
getting
backwards.
quicker. It's getting quicker and it's getting closer.
Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Dude, I wanted to see the end of that one. Is that a shark? No, that's a tuna, I think. Oh no, the bird. Is he gonna...
Còn bám miệng rồi đấy nhá.
Ah!
Cho cái xi lanh này đây.
Oh, I couldn't look. Oh.
You. Oh. Oh.
Oh, it ain't scared. It's not scared.
No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No!
Wow, look at it. Look at it go on its back two legs.
No!
Wow.
You, dude! Holy.
Dude, what do you do in this
Yeah,
situation?
get the away from me. Face.
Oh, mate. Whoo! That was phenomenal. Oh my god. That was probably one of the best animal videos I've seen. Every scenario was legit terrifying. So many. Like I'm still so in shock at the, I think it was a bull. It was either a bull or a buffalo at the start. The one that was lifting up the fully loaded SUV with just its neck. It looked like there was about 5 people in there. So we're talking about the SUV, let's say that's 3 tons. And let's say the 5 people add another half a ton. So we're talking 3.5 tons. And it was effortlessly just lifting the SUV off 3 wheels. I cannot believe that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And check out the video I'm going to link right here. See you there.